As indicated by the most recent long-haul figure, a share cost will hit $9 toward the finish of 2023, and afterward $10 toward the finish of 2024. A share will ascend to $12 inside the time of 2025, $15 in 2026, $20 in 2027, and $25 in 2029. A share value expectation 2023 to 2024. A share cost began in 2023 at $6. Today, a share exchanged at $6.41, so the cost expanded by 7% from the start of the year. The gacha share cost toward the finish of 2023 is $9.13. And the year-to-year change plus 52%. The ascent from today to year-end plus 42%. In the main portion of 2024, the share cost will move to $9.55. In the last part, the cost would add 56 cents and close the year at $10.11, which is plus 58% to the ongoing cost. The gauge for later close to days and months. Thursday, July 26 $6.43. Friday, July 21 $6.44. Saturday, July 22 $6.46. Sunday, July 23 $6.47. Monday, July 24 $6.49. Tuesday, July 25 $6.51. Wednesday, July 26 $6.52. Thursday, July 27 $6.54. August 15 $6.85. September 15 $7.37. October 15 $7.86. November 15 $8.37. December 15 $8.87. A share expectation 2025 to 2029. These 5 years would bring a huge increment. A share cost would move from $10.11 to $25.40, which is up 151%. A share will begin 2025 at $10.11, then, at that point, take off to $12.38 inside the initial half year of the year, and finish 2025 at $13.76. That implies plus 115% from today. A share forecast 2030 to 2034. In this period, the share cost would ascend from $25.40 to $30.16. Which is plus 19%. A share will begin 2030 at $25.40, then, at that point, take off to $26.77 inside the main portion of the year, and finish 2030 at $25.52. It is about plus 298% from today. A share value expectation 2023 to 2024. A share cost began in 2023 at $6. Today, a share exchanged at $6.03. So the cost expanded by 1% from the outset of the year. The anticipated share cost toward the finish of 2023 is $8.78, and the year-to-year change plus 46%. The ascent from today to year-end plus 46%. In the principal half of 2024, the share cost will move to $9.18. In the final part, the cost would add 54 cents and close the year at $9.72. Which is plus 61% to the ongoing cost. A share expectation 2025 to 2029. These 5 years would bring a huge increment. A share cost would move from $9.72 to $24.45, which is up 152%. A share will begin 2025 at $9.72. Then take off to $11.91 inside the initial half year of the year, and finish 2025 at $13.24. That implies plus 120% from today. A share expectation 2030 to 2034. In this period, the share cost would ascend from $24.45 to $29.05, which is plus 19%. A share will begin 2030 at $24.45, then, at that point, take off to $25.77 inside the principal half of the year, and finish 2030 at $24.57. It is about plus 308% from today. 6/15/2023. A share value forecast 2023 to 2024. A share cost began in 2023 at $6. Today, a share exchanged at $4.70. So the cost diminished by 22% from the outset of the year. The anticipated share cost toward the finish of 2023 is $6.54, and the year-to-year change plus 9%. The ascent from today to year-end plus 39%. In 2023, we hope to see $6.27 per one a share. In the principal half of 2024, the share cost will move to $8.50. In the final part, the cost would add 74 cents and close the year at $9.24, which is plus 96% to the ongoing cost. A share forecast 2025 to 2029. These 5 years would bring an increment. A share cost would move from $9.24 to $14.77, which is up 60%. A share will begin 2025 at $9.24, then take off to $10.04 inside the initial half year of the year, and finish 2025 at $9.75. That implies plus 107% from today. A share expectation 2030 to 2034. In this period, the share cost would ascend from $14.77 to $21.04, which is plus 42%. A share will begin 2030 at $14.77, then take off to $15.42 inside the main portion of the year, and finish 2030 at $16.29. It is about plus 246% from today. 6/1/2023. A share value forecast 2023 to 2024. A share cost began in 2023 at $6. Today, a share exchanged at $6.85. So the cost expanded by 14% from the start of the year. The estimated share cost toward the finish of 2023 is $7.18, and the year-to-year change plus 20%. The ascent from today to year-end plus 5%. In 2023, we hope to see $6.88 per one share. In the primary portion of 2024, the share cost will move to $9.33. In the final part, the cost would add 82 cents and close the year at $10.15, which is plus 48% to the ongoing cost. A share expectation 2025 to 2029. These 5 years would bring an increment. A share cost would move from $10.15 to $16.23, which is up 60%. A share will begin 2025 at $10.15, then, at that point, take off to $11.03 inside the initial half year of the year, and finish 2025 at $10.71. That implies plus 56% from today. A share expectation 2030 to 2034. In this period, the share cost would ascend from $16.23 to $23.11, which is plus 42%. A share will begin 2030 at $16.23, then take off to $16.94 inside the primary portion of the year, and finish 2030 at $17.89. It is about plus 161% from today. 5/15/2023. A share value forecast 2023 to 2024. A share cost began in 2023 at $6. Today, a share exchanged at $6.83. So the cost expanded by 14% from the outset of the year. The anticipated share cost toward the finish of 2023 is $8.58, and the year-to-year